Hi guys, we're headed out to go skiing right now and I always get cold, so I picked up this Zippo hand warmer and I'm gonna open it up right now and fill it with fluid and see how it works today. So these are the two things that I have. I have the Zippo light, the hand warmer, and the lighter fluid. And apparently I also need a lighter, so I'll grab that real quick. Alright, have a lighter. Now, this isn't the easiest package to open, so I'm going to have to use scissors. Okay, it comes with a little baggie. This little guy. Instructions. There you have it. Okay, attention.
Must be filled with lighter fluid. Read instructions before using.
Alright. So, how would it fill?
Make sure the hand warmer is cool to the touch. Remove hand warmer lid. You have to remove the attention sticker first. It's going to come off nice and clean. Okay. So remove the lid. Remove the catalytic burner unit from the base unit by holding it lengthwise upright with Zippo logo. Burner unit may have a tight fit. So that comes off.
Into the plastic filling cup. Do not spill. Fill it to the lower line. I've never even opened one of these before. Okay. Yep. Do not spill. Just get it all over. Fill this. And I'm gonna go, what time is it? I'm gonna go 12 hours.
It's halfway. I don't know if you guys can see that from there.
That's about full. Okay. I'm just gonna set this down right now so I can read those instructions. Okay,
Fill to the upper line for about 12 hours of heat, which is what I'm doing. Then carefully and slowly pour the contents of the filling cup into the white absorbent material, cotton-like, through the catalytic burner openings on the hand warmer body, while maintaining the hand warmer in an upright position. See figure 3. Do not overfill. Overfilling will cause malfunction, risk of injury and fire. If filler nozzle pushes the white absorbent material down during filling, use toothpick or similar tool to fluff material up to the top of the hand warmer body. Keep the hand warmer upright and carefully place the catalytic burner unit, making sure it is fully seated. Oh, and replace the catalytic burner. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. Carefully wipe off any excess lighter fluid from the hand warmer surfaces and allow excess fuel to evaporate before igniting.
alright. So, there are 3 little holes here that I am supposed to fill. Empty some space and put my little napkin here. Now, I've never used one of these things before.
Oh, I can see it going through there. So how do I know how much to?
You just do it slowly and carefully because you don't want it to overflow. Cool. So that's totally empty now. And I think I did spill just a little bit. I'm gonna wipe that off. And maybe fix the little cotton that came out. I don't have a toothpick, but I have a cocktail pick.
So just pushing those in, kind of fluff it. All right.
Now what did it say to do? Replace this.
Be sure the fuel can is closed and there's no spill of fuel. Closed. Do not lay it down, so keep it upright. How to ignite. With the lid off the hand warmer, hold the base unit upright with one hand and apply flame to the catalytic burner unit for approximately 10 seconds.
Alright, this lighter isn't working, so let me go grab another one. You can see while I'm trying to light this, I'm having another conversation, so I just deleted that part out because it's nothing you guys need to hear about anyway. It has nothing to do with the lighter. Oh, it's warm! It's warm. Feel this. No, I was getting my little stand for my camera.
Really?
Uh-huh. Apparently he thought I went to the shed to get his skis. And you put it in the pouch. I think that's it.
That's important.
So important.
We're trying to get out of here. screen, you're doing a YouTube video.
I had to open, oops.